Hello parents, the purpose of this video is to show you and your student how to log in tomorrow for the MAP test. So the first thing your student wants to do is to go to our My Homeroom Canvas page, and they want to scroll down to the bottom and click Student MAP Testing link. Once they click that link, please make sure that your pop-ups are enabled because it will pop up in another window. Students will type in the session name, which I will share in the morning. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to type in the practice session name and the password. And then students will click the blue arrow. Students will choose their name. They can either start typing their name or they can just pick it from the drop down. So I'm going to pretend as if I'm Ethan. And students should be taking the reading test. So confirm that is the reading test. And then students will click the blue arrow and confirm that the student's name, that they're taking the reading test, the session number, the year of birth, the grade, and the school. If it all is correct, then they will click yes. Your student should see this page, which is please wait for the proctor to confirm your information. Once I see that your student is ready, it'll tell me on my end and they will begin testing. Okay, and then after that, there is nothing that they need to do but to begin to take the test. As they are reading, and if they are reading a long passage, if you would just have them move their mouse across the screen so that it doesn't time out. If you have any issues, if you get kicked out of the test, please send me a message on Dojo so I can log them back in. But if you have issues with the screen resolution or you need the pop-ups to be enabled, you will have to check out the videos that I posted on Canvas on the parent link for Canvas. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.